how to integrate ShadCN in our Vite project and Vite React. So for that we have to go to uh, Google and search for on any search engine. Go to the ShadCN website and click on get started, and after clicking on get started you have to click on installations, and after that click on Vite, and then you have to create a new Vite latest here and create it for the application, and we want it to be spreaded in the current folder. So no, for now I am creating, you can add dot if you want to spread out in the current folder, but let's name it as ShadCN Vite starter. So you also able to download this. I will push it to GitHub, the direct starter pack using Java, React and JavaScript plus SWC. And now we have to npm install npm I, the shorthand, and this is saying we have to change our directory to ShadCN. Okay, then npm install. Okay, let's control K to clear the console, and it's downloading now. After that we will run npm run dev, and if something went wrong just add a dash f to forcefully install it. Now we have to npm run dev, and 5173 port is our port here, and for now we can click on count, and this will run for a Vite React app. And for installing Vite, we firstly have to install a Tailwind CSS. You can check out my previous video about how to install Tailwind CSS. Let me show you. Studio, and here is my previous video, contains 104 views. Try to make it 105 and increase the number of views. I just published this video, you can check out this, and let's close this. And for now we will uh, integrate the Tailwind CSS. I always give bonus tips and bonus tricks in our videos, so try that. And after this video we are going to build this AI policy generator application, which will build a policy DMC, a disclaimer, contact us pages for us in different formats. So for now you can check out the video later. I will build it later. And this command does, let's come back to topic, and this will install the Tailwind CSS and post CSS and auto prefixer as a dev dependency. And after that we will initializing the Tailwind CSS, and after that we will get this tailwind.config.css and our post css.config.css. This is JS files. Okay, let's close now. That's it now. Okay, after that we have to specify the path for our compiler option with at the rate. Then so this will be our after that we can use at the rate alias in our TS our Vite app, just like Next.js. So for that just go to Tailwind CSS. uh, I'm correct. In our you have to create a JS config here, JS config.json here. After that just paste it here, like just like that. You can also copy this full things and paste it there. And after that just go to your Vite config and copy this resolve command, resolve code, and copy it and paste it here. Now it is good, and we have to import path here. Import path from path. Okay, just like here it is done now. Vite.js plugin React, all things are good. Okay, now we just have to initialize it, and in this video the bonus trick is about how to install all the components at the same time, because many people don't know. If you know, that's good. After this we have to initialize it. No, we don't use TypeScript for now, and default style sync. Then in Next.js there is the app then globals.css, but in our Vite our index.css is our main file. So for that we will use src, then index.css, and that's all. If you want a css variable, click yes. We don't want to modify the prefix, and our tailwind.config.js, if it's ts, specify it here and click enter. Components folder, library utils, yes, and we don't want to change this, and I will recommend you to don't change this until you have a components folder in your previous project. If you are initializing it in your previous project, it will overwrite. Then you can use this option to change the folder names, and we are not using server components, and click enter. All the dependencies will be installed, and after that let's try a button here, or let's do something big and try a popover, maybe. That is good. Let's go to codes and copy this, and in our src folder components we will create a new component. Let's don't use this folder, and let's create our own folder underscore compo underscore compo, then popover.js x. Always remember to add x here if you came from a Next.js background. Then we have to add button, input, label, and popover here. Let's add all of them. You can also copy it from here, and I don't like this thing that click then pop-up will appear. This is double work. Try to make it simple. ShadCN, and it's installing popover. And in our app.js, let's run npm run dev first and see what's happening here. This is our Vite that it disturbed because we had used Tailwind here, and let's close it. After that, see the previous and now version. Let's add button. Okay, button, then what else we want? And if you want to write a button here, you can import it from components, and here is the button imported from the UI select component. You can create variants from of your button from here. Let's close this, and let's see our React app that is running. Okay, close it. npm run dev. See, this is our ShadCN button. We have implemented it correctly, and let's add the pop over pop over demo here. After that we have to install the input here. Let's add input, and I'm showing you this because you will also find so many difficulties while installing all the things here, and you will get a little bit what say in English board. Okay, and you also have to install the label, and I will show you a trick to install all the things, all the components at the same time in this today's video bonus part. And you are seeing all the components are being added, and now let's reload our server. That's why I always use this in this in directly in the code, because if you will content put it in a folder and we will create a new terminal, it will be the new terminal will be created in this main folder. So always try. Now our popover is added, you can see, and now the main part of the video comes, the bonus part of the video, that if you want to add all the components, add, then dash dash all, and that's all about the video. And you will get the demo link in your this GitHub repository. Let me create it. We have to name it ShadCN Vite starter. Okay, starter template for ShadCN Vite React. Okay, Vite React starter with ShadCN and Tailwind CSS. So blank repo, and after this copy these commands, and this is installing all the packages here. If you will see in components, all things are being added. After I will push it to GitHub, you can directly clone it from GitHub and get this as pre-built package for you. I'll modify the app just a little bit if I will. Let it add, and after that we are going to create an AI policy generator application, and using Gemini API. Gemini API is free for now with a huge limit, and we will use it. And if the video will be made, then that's good. Otherwise you can get the source code in the GitHub repositories. And I think I don't should make this video because I am getting not that much response, but time is wasted so much. And see the UI, it's awesome. ShadCN UI is just awesome. Not awesome, it's just awesome. Let's reload, close it, and all the components are added. Let's do git init. Okay, then git add dot, it will add all that stage all, and we have to add the commit message also. Git commit am or m. Okay, starter init. All things are added. I think node modules is also added, bro. Let's delete it. And remove .git folder. Okay, this is also a bonus tip if you want to remove the git folder. And we have to git init now and git add dot, and then git commit, because you can't reward a commit till my knowledge. Starter init. Let's use message. Okay, I don't know the spelling of message. Let's start. And after that we'll set the remote origin, uh, set the branch and push it to our main branch. All the codes are here now. You can go and check out this repository or directly clone it using the command I will provide in readme. Git clone, then this, and you can also add a dot here to spread out in current folder. So that's all for the video. You can check out this, and this is just for lazy persons, but if you want more videos you can comment out here. Just go to our repositories here and go to how to and create an issue here, and I will try to reply you. Thanks for watching and see you later.